to another episode of The Silly Kitchen. Today, as you can see, I am once again with guest Dorothy. Welcome to the show.
Thank you for having me.
I'm excited that you're here because we are doing a recipe today that I think many people will appreciate. After spending December pretty much eating and then eating more and then eating more, I know I get a little like weighed down and feeling a little bloaty and heavy. So you have brought us a recipe. What is it called?
These are the Elite Stuffed Peppers.
And where does the Elite come from?
From our business. We own the Elite Training Facility, we being myself and my husband. We are a fitness studio in Kitchener, and we do focus a lot on nutrition because that is something that a lot of us struggle with.
Well, it's important too because you can work out 8 days a week and eat like garbage, and it kind of counters everything. So you do need
both.
Yeah, you do need both. And whether you're setting some New Year's resolutions or whether you have some aggressive weight loss goals or you just want to feel better and add some healthy recipes to your everyday, I think this will really work for a lot of people.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so it's a fabulous recipe. I like it because it's super easy, just a few ingredients. Takes a little bit of cooking time, but it's super straightforward.
I love easy. We all know that this whole kitchen show is all about easy recipes that you don't have to work hard for but are tasty and in this case super healthy. So for Elite Stuffed Peppers, what ingredients do we need?
So the main, our protein is lean ground turkey. I do recommend you get your turkey from one of the local farmers. We have a lot of them out here. You certainly know.
Oh yeah, I love my farm meat. So wherever you guys choose to get your lean ground turkey, I would love to see people supporting their local farmers.
Absolutely.
But it does taste better.
It tastes better. It's just way better quality. You can taste it. You really can taste the difference.
Preaching to the choir.
Yeah.
Okay, so we've got some ground turkey. What else do we need?
We of course have our peppers because that's what we're gonna stuff.
Oh yeah, we're gonna stuff these babies.
Yeah, we use a little bit of salsa. I like things spicy, so this is a hot salsa. You can use whatever kind is your favorite. Just if you're trying to watch the calories, I recommend you go with something simple, so not too many ingredients. Anything that has tomatoes and that's about it in it. Right?
Tomato, salt, seasoning.
Yeah, that's it. That's pretty good. It shouldn't be more than like 5 calories per serving.
Yeah.
So that's a nice simple salsa. And then we have a little bit of Walden Farms barbecue sauce. It's adds a nice flavor to it, but it also helps keeps the turkey moist when it's cooking. This is a product that we sell at our facility. It's a 100% calorie free and carb free. So I
love that. I was just reading it because you look at different barbecue sauces. There's always a ton of sugar, a ton of calories, but you can still get a ton of flavor if you're watching your calories with a calorie-free dressing. So
yes,
this is cool.
Magic in the bottle.
Magic in a bottle.
Yes.
Put a straw in it.
Yeah, pretty much. So if you like a little extra kick, this is totally optional. A little Tabasco sauce or whatever, again, calorie-free hot sauce that you like to use.
Yeah.
And then
my favorite ingredient. I'm so glad she brought cheese.
Yes, I couldn't come here and then not bring cheese. So we are going to watch the quantities.
Yes.
It is, again, a special cheese. Look for a high protein cheese. It is out there. They exist. Again, in a serving, there should be, you're looking for about 9 grams of protein and no more than 5 grams of fat. Oh. Your typical cheese is at least double that fat.
I was going to say.
Half the protein. So, but they're out there and it tastes really excellent. If you didn't know that's what it is, you probably wouldn't know.
You wouldn't know the difference. And we scaled it out and measured it because normally I don't measure anything in my kitchen, but because this is a nutritional and healthy recipe, you definitely want to watch, especially something that is high fat like cheese. You don't want to ruin a healthy recipe by then adding what I would normally do, which is put this whole amount of cheese on one pepper. So you do want to kind of measure it out and weigh it out. But you can eye it out too. I mean, we know how much is too much cheese, which to me is never. But okay, we're gonna get healthy.
Agree to disagree.
I know. Okay, perfect. So we're gonna start cooking and putting this stuff together. Okay, so we're gonna actually tag team this recipe together. Normally I make guests cook the whole thing, but I just kind of sous chef it. But I've twisted the camera over so we can see that we have the stovetop ready. We're gonna need the oven ready. So you go cook the turkey.
Yeah, I will.
And what am I supposed to do?
You get the peppers ready. Chop them up in half. Get all the seeds out of them.
Okay. So just a halfer and then take all the seeds out because we're gonna stuff these.
Yes.
So we want just nice boats, I guess.
Yes.
I want to call them a boat. I'm changing the name of your recipe.
Hey, elite boats. I might change the name of it.
I love that. So all you're doing with the turkey is you're just cooking it up on like medium heat and not adding any of this other ingredients yet.
No, just want to get the turkey cooked first. That way we can drain any excess liquid out of it before we add all the flavor to it. I don't like my turkey beef watery, and turkey tends to cry when you cook it.
Oh, that made me sad.
Sorry, it's not the turkey crying, it's the extra fat crying.
It's the extra fat crying out of there because we don't want any of that. And turkey's already super lean, so there's probably not going to be too much coming out of it. Awesome. Dor, I have scooped all the seeds out, gotten all the white stuff out. I've got my peppers ready and clean. How's your turkey?
Excellent. The turkey is done. We're getting a little bit of browning on it, which is exactly how I like it. And honestly, we don't even have to drain it. It's such good quality turkey that there's nothing extra in there. Yeah. Absolutely beautiful.
Makes such a difference. So now we can turn that off?
I'm just going to keep it on simmer just to keep it warm.
Yeah.
And we're going to add our liquids to it. So
I can bring over the salsa and the barbecue sauce.
Absolutely.
And I like heat, so I'm bringing the Tabasco too.
Tabasco in there as well.
And at this point, guys, you can preheat your oven to, what are we doing, 350?
Yeah.
Preheat your oven to 350 because these babies got to bake after as well. Okay.
All right.
So salsa, can I put it in?
You can just throw that in there.
Do it like a chef.
Nice. Very good.
And we measured this out too because we wanted the right amount of salsa. Okay, so that's good.
And if I could steal that tablespoon there.
Oh, I did bring the tablespoon for a reason.
It's mainly because this is fairly liquidy, so you don't want to just pour it in and all of a sudden have turkey barbecue soup.
We're not making soup today.
But
so 3 tablespoons of this?
I'm going with 3 to start with. And then while they're baking, we'll probably add a little bit on to keep it moist.
To keep the turkey moist. And again, like we're using the Walden's no calories, so it's not that bad adding a little extra.
No.
So we're just gonna stir it all up and then add the heat.
Let's add some heat. I'll let you add the heat. How much heat do you want?
You're gonna be surprised how much heat I like.
Excellent. Keep my bring cheese on it so it mellows it out.
And peppers. Sweet. Like regular peppers kind of are sweet. How much do you usually add? I went around a circle.
There is one thing I do not ever measure in my kitchen, and that's Tabasco sauce. You just kind of pour it on.
This makes me want a Caesar. So now we can turn it off.
Turn it right off.
All right, and now we're gonna stuff them.
Take it over and stuff our peppers with them.
Perfect. All right, so we've brought our turkey with all of the flavors and sizzlings all over here. Oh, it actually smells awesome. I can't wait to eat a healthy recipe. And we're gonna stuff these peppers now with the turkey.
Yeah, just kind of eyeballing 3 different sort of equal amounts
servings.
So we can put them in there, but really we're just gonna.
And I'm gonna link Elite Training Facility's website in our description here on this video. So if you wanna look up this recipe, other recipes.
With tons of them, yes.
Yeah, you guys have a lot on there. And I mean, anything else that you wanna actually take a look at the facility too. If you're looking for personal training, if you're looking for someone to help you get motivated, there's options there. There's group classes. Dorothy's also a registered massage therapist. So if you're just stressed out because you're ringing in a new year and you're like, what the hell am I doing? Go get a freaking massage. That always helps everything. I don't know. I feel like
see, I'm making a mess.
I'll just eat that. Don't worry. It's not about being perfect on the Silly Kitchen, honestly, Dorothy.
Okay.
Because when you're cooking at home, does anyone do it perfect? No.
But at home when I spill it, the cat gets to eat the leftovers.
I'll be the cat today. Okay, these look good. They're all stuffed. So now what about the cheese?
The cheese gotta wait. We gotta bake them first.
Oh, well, because it's gonna take time for the peppers to soften up.
Absolutely.
I know this from my culinary school of nothing.
Usually takes about 45 minutes.
Okay.
The turkey is quite warm already, so it might not take as long today. Just kind of watch for the peppers to be soft. And it depends on you as well. Some people like their peppers a little more crunchy.
Yeah.
I like them kind of soft.
We'll go somewhere in between because I like them crunchy, you like them soft.
We'll
find a happy medium today. So we're gonna put these in the oven right now for how long?
We'll aim for 45 minutes, and we'll check in on it every 10-15 minutes. Add a little bit more of the barbecue sauce in it just to keep it nice and moist.
And it'll moisten the pepper as well and help soften it. And then, so then when do we add the cheese?
No cheese for you. Oh. No, I was just teasing you with the cheese.
Okay.
You don't get the cheese. No.
No, Dorothy.
So once they get warm and you start seeing the peppers, how you like them, the softness or crunchiness and warm, then we'll take them out of the oven. We'll put the cheese on top, and then we'll just broil it for a few minutes to get it melted, because melted cheese is the best.
I cannot wait for this. All right, guys, we will be back momentarily when the cheese is ready to be put on here. Okay, guess what time it is?
Cheese time.
Cheese time. Okay, so we've had this in the oven. It's starting to, you can kind of see the peppers are starting to get nice and soft. So this is where we put a real sprinkle of cheese on.
It is just a sprinkle.
Yeah, because listen, this is gonna be tasty. We're focusing on some healthy recipes today, and the fact that cheese is included makes me happy. So I'm good with a sprinkle today.
And these are so flavorful as it is. The cheese is, just a little bonus.
Bonus cheese.
Yes.
So we're gonna do this, top it up, and then put it in the oven to broil just for a couple of minutes.
Yeah, just kind of watch it. When the cheese gets bubbly and melty, we'll take them out and probably just eat them.
Oh, Dorothy, you know my favorite part of cooking is eating.
No.
We are gonna eat this. Yeah, don't not put the rest of that. Like, sprinkle all that on there.
All right, get some good sprinkling.
Yay, okay, back in the oven we go. Dorothy!
It's time.
We get to finally freaking eat this now. Now, again, guys, you saw this episode was pretty simple and easy. And while you actually put the peppers in the oven, you can tidy up your station. You can pour yourself a nice glass of lemon water.
I was wondering where you're going with that.
I know, it's a healthy recipe, so I was sticking with the healthy. But let's not wait any longer and have some elite stuffed peppers. Which one should I take? Which one should I take? This one?
I'm sure you're eyeing up one with the most cheese.
I know, but you did such a good job doing it evenly.
Sprinkled.
Okay.
Shall we?
We shall. I'm so excited. Oh, and yeah, we've got kind of like that perfect, kind of soft, kind of crunchy piece of pepper.
Nice and moist.
Now, Dorothy, I try to take TV bites, but I usually talk with my mouth full.
Yeah, you do.
So, like, don't even worry about it.
Okay, forget the TV bites. This is going in my face. Hot, hot.
Oh, I was totally gonna cheers you, but you're more eager than I am. I love this.
I love this recipe. I make this one so often. I can't get enough of it.
Oh yeah, keep talking. I'll take another bite.
Okay. Again, people sometimes think it's so tough to make healthy recipes. This is one of the simplest ones out there. It's fantastic. We always focus on nutrition at Elite Training Facility. So if you have any questions, talk to us. Better yet, come by to see us. Come do a trial class. We offer free trial classes.
What's better way to start off something than to just give it a try? And there's like, to have a free trial class is a perfect way to get someone in, just to get to know you guys. Yeah,
absolutely. So come on by, and if you love it, then you can sign up. We have our $99 unlimited special right now. And what else is going on? I don't know. Look forward to our anniversary at the end of the month.
That's right. Every Saturday. January, you guys celebrate your anniversary. There's lots of like fun and prizes.
Prizes.
Yeah, prizes. No cheese, just prizes. Like I said, I will link your website, your Instagram, all that stuff on the description of this video.
Thank you.
Let's just stop talking and we can eat the rest of this.
Hungry.
Thank you so much for watching another episode. See you again soon.
Bye guys.
Yay. Thank you for watching another episode of The Silly Kitchen. I hope that you are having a wonderful start to 2020. If you love the show, if you enjoy seeing what I make and trying to create these recipes at home, please hit that subscribe button.